Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a simple and delicious recipe for toaster oven s'mores. I like them much better than campfire s'mores and they're super easy to make. All you need is a foil lined toaster oven pan. You need butter. You need graham crackers. You need marshmallow fluff. I'm using a generic Nutella. I'm using crushed peanuts. They are unsalted, and I'm using plain old iodized salt. Now, I wish I had sea salt for the recipe, just to wake up the Nutella, because you don't want just all sweet. You want a interesting bite, and that's what the salt is going to add to it. The peanuts are also going to add some nice texture and some protein to break up just the sweetness. This recipe is super easy and super delicious, and it only requires 6 ingredients. And of course, you need your toaster oven on broil. So my next step is to take my butter, and I'm going to smear a thin layer of butter all over the bottom of this toaster oven. Now I've just smeared a thin layer of butter all over the toaster oven pan. No special technique, just rub the butter on the pan and it got nice and adhered to it. This is not optional. You definitely need to have butter in the pan. Next, I'm going to line my graham crackers in the pan. Now that I have the graham crackers in the pan, got the butter in the pan. Next step, I'm going to put marshmallow fluff and peanuts on 2 crackers, and I'm going to put Nutella and sea salt on the other 2 crackers. Let me show you what it looks like. So there you have 2 2 peanut and marshmallow fluff halves, 2 Nutella and salt halves. Now we're going to put this in the toaster oven for under 1 minute. All of the sugars and the fats in this is going to cause quick caramelization, and you want to stick right by the toaster oven so that it doesn't burn. As soon as you get a little char on the marshmallow and you start to smell the chocolate and graham cracker, you are done. It shouldn't even be a minute. As you can see, I've got a slight char on the marshmallows. The Nutella is bubbling up. It smells amazing. Now we just put them together. Still very hot, and the butter has disappeared. It's melted into the crackers and made this dish even more amazing. So let me put it together for you. That's one some more here. And the other some more there. Oh, the graham crackers are so soft. They're just so soft. So I'm going to give it just another minute to cool down. And then I'm going to let you know what it tastes like. The smell is ridiculous. Then let me let it cool because there's a lot of hot sugars in here. And I want to give the cracker a chance to solidify again. Let me let it cool for 1 minute. So I'll let them cool for a minute, and I'm just showing you how easy it is to break in half because it's still warm. It's just not molten. And let me let you know what it tastes like. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Toaster oven s'mores. Mm, mm, mm. My goodness. I am 10 at summer camp. Mm, mm, mm. My God. This is one of the best desserts I've ever had. And especially for the amount of time it takes and the money it costs, you are crazy if you don't try this. mm, 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 mm. Do it just like I did it. Please add the salt and the butter. You will be blown away. Thank you for watching.